Welcome to the CMD. In this part we are gonna learn how to create and how to remove one or multiple directories. So let's start. We are gonna start with explaining the path. This is our path, and we are gonna execute our code. Let's call it code in this directory. Create and delete directory. So we are in create and delete directory. Let's check it out. We are in partition E, and let's go to E. Let's go to command line. We have command line here, and this partition, this directory, create and delete directory, we go in this directory, in that directory, and in that directory we're gonna execute everything. So let's start. Let's start by typing dir and press enter, and what happens? It shows us the list of all directories in this create and delete directory, if any exist. But right now we don't have any directory, and we need to make directory. So how can we make directory? Let's type mkdir and let's name the directory test. Press enter, and what's gonna happen? Oh, it will automatically create in this folder, in this directory, new folder test. Nice. So what if we want to create multiple like folders, directories? Let's do it like this: mkdir, and let's type t1, t2, s1, s2. Press enter, and what's gonna happen? Oh, we created at once multiple. We created 4 directories. And what if we want to delete one directory? But before we explain the delete, let's list all directories in this directory, our create and delete directory. And now in console show us with dir, shows us the list of all directories. And what if we want to remove one or more directories? Let's start with one. We are gonna do it rmdir, and we are gonna remove s2 and press enter. Oh, my bad. We are gonna clear the code, and we are gonna now we are gonna delete it with this rmdir and s2. Press enter, and it will automatically be deleted. Let's list all directories. Now we see that directory is deleted, the folder is deleted. So what, we're gonna clear the screen again, and now we are gonna delete s1, t1, t2 folders, and let's do it rmdir, and let's name those folders s1, t1, and t2. Press enter, and let's list all directories. So we have only one directory. That directory or folder is test. So here we are executing code, and you can see on our right side how this works. Like when we execute code, automatically will add or remove directory or folder. So in this video we passed through creating and deleting directories and showing the list of all directories, and in the next one we are gonna use shortcuts, and those shortcuts will help us later to dive even more in these commands and codes. So see you in the next one.